Namaskar class, this is Devan Devashti. Today topic is Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. First, we understand the meaning of negotiable, which means transferable from one person to another in return for consideration, and an instrument means a written document by which a right is created in favor of some person. Thus, a negotiable instrument is a document which entitle a person to a sum of money and which is transferable from one person to another. So, freely transferable. The property in a negotiable instrument passes from one person to another by delivery. It should be free nature. Next, every negotiable instrument is presumed to have been made, drawn, accepted, negotiated, or transferred for some consideration. It means there should be some payment in term of money. Date. Every negotiable instrument bearing date is presumed to have been drawn on such date, which means there is some specific due date should be mentioned on each and every negotiable instrument. Recovery. The holder in due course can sue upon a negotiable instrument in his own name for the recovery of amount. Time of acceptance. When a bill of exchange has been accepted, it is presumed that it was accepted within a reasonable time of its date and before its maturity. Every transfer of a negotiable instrument is presumed to have been made before its maturity. Here are basically three types of negotiable instrument. First, promissory note. Second, bill of exchange. Third, check. Promissory note. A promissory note is an instrument in writing, not being a bank note or not. It is a currency note containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of certain person to the bearer of the instrument. The person who makes the promissory note and promises to pay is called the maker, and the person to whom the payment is to be made is called the payee. Here are some characteristics regarding promissory note. It is an instrument must be in writing. It is a promise to pay signed by the maker. Definite and unconditional promise. Promise to pay only. Maker must be a certain person. Pay must be also certain. Some payable must be certain. It may be payable on demand or after a definite period of time. It cannot be made payable to a bearer on demand. Next instrument is bill of exchange. A bill of exchange is also an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by maker directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of certain person or to the bearer of the instrument, which covered under section 5 of negotiable instrument. Parties to the bill of exchange are first drawer. The person to whom the order to pay or who makes the bill is called drawer. Next, drawee. The person who is directed to pay is called a drawee. When the drawee accepts the bill, he is called the acceptor. Pay. It is a third party. The person to whom payments is to be made is called pay. The drawer of pay who is in the possession of the bill is called a holder. The holder must present the bill of drawee for his acceptance. When the holder endorses the bill, note, or check, he is called endorser. The person to whom the bill, note, or check is endorsed is called endorsee. Here are basically three types of negotiable instrument. First, promissory note. Second, bill of exchange. Third, check. Third instrument, check. A check is a bill of exchange drawn upon a specified banker and payable on demand, and it includes the electronic image of a check or a check in the electronic form. A check in the electronic form means A check which contains the exact mirror image of a proper check and is generated, written, and signed in a secure system, ensuring the minimum safety standard with the use of digital signature. Characteristics. In writing, the check must be in writing. It can be express order to pay. There is definite and unconditional order. There must be also mentioned as signed by the drawer. Order to pay certain sum. Order to pay money only. There are certain three parties drawn upon a specified banker and payable on demand. Here are the parties to a check. First one drawer, next banker, and third is paying. I hope you all understand the meaning of Negotiable Instrument Act.